Got the 240 all loaded up. Today's gonna be a cool day because today is a practice drift day. So I said it before, but if you guys didn't hear it, this weekend is Staggered Auto Show. It is like my favorite car show of the year, every year, and they're holding a drift demo at the car show, and I'm gonna be a part of it, which is really, really cool. And today, Saturday, is like the practice so we can get used to the course and like figure the course out and get it all set up. So let's just hit the road and have some fun. So a worker pointed and said slide, and I thought he was talking about drifting, but there's actually a giant slide right there. I guess that makes more sense. Alright, so we've been hanging out. We basically have a giant parking lot, and the pavement's pretty shitty, but we're just kind of free drifted for now, trying to figure out a cool layout and go from there. I just did the whole, check my air pressure, went over all my lug nuts, all that stupid stuff, make sure my car was all set, and we should be ready to drift any moment now. I'm excited, it's gonna be cool.
Let me tell you about it. It's a Jimbo tuning, alright? Next time you need a tuning, or tune or anything like that, you gotta go see Jimmy. Cars feels amazing.
Is it really that big of a difference?
It's a big difference.
I know, you roasted it last lap.
Oh my god, dude, that's amazing.
Alright guys, so you didn't see the video yet because it hasn't been posted yet because it's a sponsored video, it has to get reviewed. It's a really annoying process, but whatever. We actually dyno tuned Benny's car like I said we would. That's why I missed a video the other day, and the dyno tune came out amazing. I am so proud of the tune on that car. This is like my first official, like real start to finish tune. Benny did 2 laps, he's been going nuts. Right, so I didn't film any drifting just because I was trying to get a feel for the track, but like an idiot, instead of hugging the wall, I hugged the inner tires because I was being a pansy and I ripped my fender pretty bad. So I gotta address that right now. The problem with running no front bumper like an idiot like me is if you grab a tire, oh, does it cause a lot of damage. But this tab didn't break and this tab didn't break, so I'm tuned. I just gotta like support all this stuff.
Benny's getting yelled at.
Kurt's a bitch.
Yeah,
Kurt, if you're watching, you're a bitch. We're just gonna make... God, that sounds so good. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work.
Oh! Stop it! It's a bee. Those cards are falling off. Nobody can even tell.
Kurt, look at me. I think I'm back of money.
Broke mine. It would be cool.
Oh, Kurt!
How did you do that?
My car's falling apart.
How did that
On
happen?
camera.
That's why. Oh my god.
Whatever. Don't stop. Get out of here.
Are you embarrassed? Is it messed up over here too?
His wheel hits the frame.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Kurt was exhausted. I was like, what is that? He's like, I don't fucking know.
Kurt, I got you. Look at that. I just saved your day. This was a wrapped around his hub. Dude, this is sick.
You're like Drew too, but not the tape.
So, this track roasts tires. I mean, it's really gritty. It's cool for front grip, but for rear grip, I probably have 2 laps worth of tire left, and then the tire machine they brought, forgot the compressor, so I can't use it. So I'm kind of done for today after that, but I'm cool with that. I'm happy to get here. I'm gonna bring my tires home with me and do them tonight, and then bring them back up tomorrow. It was great. Holy fuck, that is so fun. That is so fun. I probably am done for a tire, but that was sick. That made me so excited. How cool was that, drifting around the trailer like that?
That scared me a bit.
Did you film it? Like,
I was pretty scared.
Go in my head.
Oh,
Look at my nose. My nose is touching the side.
Open up the fucking thing up.
Yeah, open. Look how amazing his doors are. I love those. The little kitties. It's amazing.
Ben's car has so much grip, it is ridiculous. Like, so much grip, so much power, and he has YSAB. It's such a different experience drifting a car like that. Like, I'm dizzy. Like, my head hurts. That was ridiculous. That car's an animal. An absolute animal. I know I got covered in tire. I love it. Oh, you popped him.
Oh my god.
We're done for today. Ran out of tires a while ago. It's late. They got to do the whole show stuff, so we're gonna head back, see what the guys are up to at the shop. I don't know if I'm gonna bring a car or not tomorrow. I might. All depends if I feel like cleaning the Red Z, and do a bunch of tires.
Ready for tomorrow? It's your first time showing the 240.
I know.
It's a show car.
Very, very excited. It's not a show car.
What?
It's not a show car.
Okay.
But very excited.
Drew got VIP.
VIP. Talk to him, Jip. Tell him. Tell him, Jip.
Tell him what's going on. Look at Jip over there. Salty as hell.
Not salty. I just want to see their faces when you pull up inside and they're like, "We approve of this."
Good prep.
You can't show him the secrets, dude.
Hold on, stop.
I taught you this one. This is
This is a life hack. If any of your cars have black trim and they're as dusted as Drew's, just every once in a while, just lay it with a fat new strip.
of electrical tape. It's cheap man's vinyl.
Yeah, literally. Hit me with that razor blade.
We're all getting right.
We're all right. It's light.
Feel confident?
It's good. Yeah. Just triple checking.
We should totally drift it tomorrow too.
Sure.
Man, this car really came out pretty gorgeous. Everyone's like, "Oh, you need to wrap it. You need to paint it."
I know.
We'll
I'm
get
like,
there.
let me enjoy the thing, and then when I'm like, okay.
The winter's coming up quick. We'll
Yeah.
get there.
I don't know about over this winter, but
No, I mean, like, the car is so set right now. The last thing it needs
yeah.
is paint. So
yeah.
let us get to
let me do my thing. Let me enjoy it. Then.
People always say, "Why don't you just paint it like it's like a cheap, easy, quick thing?"
No. Yeah. Exactly.
I mean, you could do it cheap and quick, but it's gonna look good maybe on camera.
It'll look like Ryan's car.
But it'll look like the Booth Mobile, and it'll happen really quick. So
in due time. In due time.
I think it looks great right now.
I don't mind it.
It's really clean. It's way cleaner than my car at this point.
Power's coming on. Things are getting serious. Oh yeah. It's been a while. There we go. The crash bar helps.
Wait, a little bit to the left. Wait, higher? Okay, right there. Yeah, put the zip tie through.
Alright guys, didn't get too much filming at the drift event today because I was more worried on actually getting the practice in. But tomorrow's gonna be a cool day. I'll have Steffi with me, make her film some stuff, but it's gonna be cool. I hope to see a lot of you guys there. It'd be pretty cool to meet some subscribers, and I mean, it's gonna be an awesome show. So
Car and go now.
Go now.
Drew and Jip are showing their cars, which is really cool. I'm stoked to have them out there. I'm really stoked Jip is bringing his car out, and he cleaned it up so good. The car looks so good, especially on the wheels. So, but I'm gonna stop rambling on. I gotta go home, edit this video, wake up dumb early, and drift. So everyone wish me luck, that no one drives into my car again, and it's gonna be fun. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. stay tuned for more content. Stephanie?
Have a great day, everybody.